Okay, so we have these cross sections. And also we should have the new file, design file. I have it here, all bodies, and a new layer, exactly the same as the name of the cross sections. Okay, so I open it to edit this one, and I think I already have something here, but still. Okay, and what now? what next? So we want to draw everything on this surface, exactly on the screen. How to do that? We need to move this beginning of those axes to somewhere here on this picture. So I press C, center view, and I already have it here. Here or here, it doesn't matter. Okay, and next thing is to put exactly the view like here. So I put Control and X.
Control and
X. X, and you see select section point and snap to this one and to this one. And now it's exactly in this surface. Okay.
Only Control X.
Control X and S. Snap to this point, 2 points, and then I get those sections. And now I'm exactly on this structure. And what you need to do also is click here and draft plane off. So it like that, because default is like all of them are all switch on. So draft plane off, and like that. And now cross sections, no cross sections, draw polygon, and I want to draw this. Unfortunately, let's see. More or less, of course, because we'll also use this for later triangulations, and even better, then we will have this bigger than on the cross sections. So it not to be very precise, because still those cross sections are only the scan. So if more or less like that, so I'm just clicking and here, and then Q one more time, and when I switch it off I should get, you see, another one. And all of them already done this before, so we have those three exactly the same like here. And what is also important, to put the name. What is this? Okay, so we add the annotation, because we know that this one is TQ2. This one TQ1, TQ1A, 1EA. Okay, so I want to add the name for this TQ2, and to do that, of course, edit, and we have here annotation, but it's not switch on off, but we add some annotation to existing element. Annotation, and you see select element for selection set, so I choose this one, clicking twice. And now the name, it was TQ2, and the type centroid.
Is input in the center of that polygon.
Yes. TQ2. Okay. And now, of course, it's not visible because we need to switch on the annotation. And you see, we have TQ2, TQ1, because I've done it before, TQ1A. And exactly the same for the next, all those cross sections. We want to make this one, and then we'll make the triangulations.
You a little get sick,
Yeah, I think so. I have some, I don't know what it is exactly, but
tomorrow have holiday.
I I hope I will be not sick during those Easter. But we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, so in our bodies we'll have this one, but so we need to make all of them from the cross sections.
Yeah.
Okay, I switched it, but also
You do with the surface.
no,
No, not surface. Vertical.
Of course, with vertical we'll do that. Also with vertical we'll try this, and also in topographic I put someone that calls topoline, and also you can open to edit exactly the same, and maybe 20 now. Okay, this is 20, and the same. See, because we want to draw also this topography line.
Yeah.
You know, to upgrade our topography. We did it exactly the same as before, but in the different layer. So I have this another one, cross sections, because this was for 19. I've already done this. So now 20, and those lines can be done in the same, all line in the same file. It doesn't matter. Okay, those ones should be done in the different layers, but this can be done. Those topoline can be done in the one layer. So that's exactly the same. I press C to have those beginning of my stuff here.
It means on top line is in only one
Like-
layer.
Yes, all those lines in topoline,
Yeah.
from different cross sections. Okay, so exactly the same. See here, Control X, snap, and I know that this is okay. And line, it's to edit, so line, draw line, and I want to draw this.
No, not from that. From
Ah,
down.
of course, yes, you are right. Q, okay. This one.
Yeah. When have about 20 cross section, maybe mixing together.
No, but it's up to you. If you want to do that on the separate layer, we can also make something like that, because later we can copy them to the one layer, and we'll have after that we'll have everything in the one layer. So it's up to you what is best for you. Yes, probably you have right that sometimes we can have, maybe if there are too many of them, is also not so good. But we'll have a nice topography when we add these lines to. And still, of course, it's more or less, because later the gridding will make some interpolation, but still. And we have two lines, and the same. So for the one cross sections, like this one, we produce one line, topographic line, into this layer, and to our bodies we produce those our bodies, of course, also.
We not put name up the light.
No, it's not necessary for them, because I add all of them to the cross section. If you want, you can also edit, how you see, and they are pass.
Annotation.
Yes, edit annotation. Where it is here. Select, and I don't know, maybe the same CA19. But type for line, it's better contour, because we have only line. Contour. Unfortunately, one of them CA90s. Okay. and you see now it's on
Yeah.
the line. Like the same you can do here. Annotation twice here.
This
Contour 20.
yeah.
Okay, so you can also do that for that. And